Hello, my name is Anthony Patrick, and we're here to talk about a system of equations. A system of equations is two equations graphed on the same set of axes. Now, once they're there, you have to find the solution to them. The solution to that is where they intersect. But before we graph it, we need to get this problem right here into slope-intercept form. And Dakota over here is solving it for us. What he is doing is he's taking the minus 3x over here because we want 5y, or y all right solved, sorry. So we took negative 3x, we did plus 3x here, and then plus 3x over here. You see 3x. And now we have 5y equals 3x plus 25. He's dividing 5y by 5 because we want 5 all by itself. And now he has to minus 5 on both of these. Just do that. So y equals 3 over 5x plus 5. Now this is in slope-intercept form because, you know, y equals mx plus b. So, as we can see, we have this other equation that we need to put into slope-intercept form. So Dakota, what are we doing that for us? But we need to start off with minusing this side by negative 2x because we want to get y by itself. And we need to do it to the other side. So then we end up with negative y equals negative 2x plus 9. But we want to get that y to be positive y. So what we do is we do negative 1 times negative y. And then we times the other side by negative 1. And then what we end up with is positive y equals positive 2x negative 9. And then there we go. Alright, so Aaron here is going to plot our points. Windsor is going to be talking about the y-intercept. Joyce here is going to be talking about rise over run. And here is Windsor.
So plus 5 in the equation is the y-intercept. It's called the y-intercept because that's where it intercepts the y-axis. Right, okay.
So I'm explaining rise over run, and so the rise is the fraction on is the upper part, the numerator of the fraction on the left side of our equation. So the top of it will go up 3, then over 5. And 5 is the denominator of the fraction, then it goes over here and does the opposite.
Alright, so now that we have all our points plotted, we can just draw the line right through.
Alright, well, Dakota here will be finding the solution for us of these equations. The solution, as I've said before, is where the lines intersect. And where they intersect is 10, 11. Alright, well, Dakota here will be finding the solution for us of these equations. The solution, as I've said before, is where the lines intersect. And where they intersect is 10, 11. Alright, so now we got the solution, but this is just an estimate of it. The way we find it, an exact number, is we have to solve it algebraically, which will be done by Eliana Rothschild. Alright, so now we got the solution, but this is just an estimate of it. The way we find it, an exact number, is we have to solve it algebraically, which will be done by Eliana Rothschild.